Hi everybody, it's Jane from Living Skies Vintage, and I'm here to show you a few things that I've gotten in recently from some fellow vintage jewelry lovers. And I think this first one I'm going to show you is I got it from auction, in an auction lot, but it's just amazing. So let's take a look and I'll show you what's going on. Hold on. Let's just do, can we do this? Oh no, we'll do this. Sorry, down and around. Here we go. We there? Yeah, we are. Here we go. This is, it's hard to show, it's so big. But look at this. Look at this humongous, almost Egyptian style necklace. In fact, I would say it's Egyptian revival. All the coins on the bottom, heavy chain, this, some rhinestones, you know, it's got some, let me see if I can get it off of here, off of it. I had it pinned, it's so heavy. Here we go. Move that out of the way. This down. Isn't that fun? Hey, just fun. So yeah, I find fun things. I'm gonna bring them here and show you. This does have a tag. I don't know that you're gonna guess who it's from, but it's actually from Aldo, so it can't be that old, but I can't imagine what they would have sold this for new. Anyways, lots of fun. That's, oh, got some other things I want to show you. Janda Panda, I haven't shown these off yet. I'm going to put everybody's links below too, so if you guys go and check these people out, the sellers. Always lots of fun at the auctions. Even if you don't buy anything, everybody is very welcoming and just fun to be around and hang out. And you know, sometimes in the evening you just take your glass of wine and hang out with the girls. It's, well, the girls and the guys. It's lots of fun. Anyways, I got these from Janda Panda. I think these are lots of fun. Always love the exotic native indigenous people's jewelry. Again, coin jewelry, you know, brass, little spears, lots of fun. Layer that up with a couple of different things. I couldn't make up my mind whether I wanted the green or the blue because I like both, so I got both. I have a little piece that I just got in from, excuse me, I forgot to get it. That I just got in from Kiersten Red, and here it is. Look at that faith. Look at her. So serene. Beautiful beads. Again, they're not glass. Pretty sure they're probably acrylic, but these look like little brass, little knobbies and knot between. Older clasp. Not sure what she's made of. Probably a resin of some sort, but I think she's lovely. I think she's lovely. We'll just leave her there. This, couple of these. This, look at these sparklies. No, don't fight me. The dragon. Crystal. Dana Stewart coats. Killer Queen vintage. Gorgeous. Look at that. Sparkle. I love these. They look like little disco balls. Can't wait to have a good excuse to wear them. Well, actually, I don't really need excuses to wear anything, and neither do you. Remember that. You don't need an excuse to wear nice things. I remember when used to get dressed up just to go shopping. That was just the way it was. You got dressed up to go shopping. Anyways, I have something else now from Anne-Marie Cripple, Anna at Vintage Jewelry Galore. Bought these a week or so ago from her channel. Beautiful set of earrings. Necklace. And bracelet. Wow, eh? Love it. I spent a little bit of time cleaning this up a little bit, so it's a little extra sparkly. There is one rhinestone missing. I know that Anna pointed that out to me. But, you know, unless I point it out to you, you're not going to be able to see that it's missing. But aren't they gorgeous? And the thing that fascinated me about this was this construction, this kind of fan-like shell construction that allows this bracelet to articulate around your wrist. Like, oh, look at that. It's full of stars. It has it has a safety chain, which is now getting hung up on all the little prongs, and a box clasp. There. So beautiful. And the same, you know, you've got shepherd's hook, really nice. You know, these are all foil backed, I'm sure. But beautiful rhinestones and beautiful set. And I'm going to have fun wearing that. I'm going to have lots of fun wearing that. Now, I'm going to put you back in this little box that I decided I'm going to keep you in for now. And also, I have some fun bits. I did this video actually about a week ago. I think some of you might know that I didn't turn my tape on. I'm going to double check it right now. Yes, it is blowing. So this is the second time that I've taped some of this. So some things I think may have been put away and I've kind of forgotten where they are. But I did get one other shipment in from Tanya at My Jewelry Addiction, and it was called a tray of sparkle. And here's some of my favorite things that I got from that tray. So this beautiful large blingy bracelet. This is all from Tanya. This is all in the one tray. This blingy bracelet. Beautiful brooch. I love this little piggy with sparkles. He's fun. And, oh, in that tray was this beautiful necklace. This is actually a coral necklace. Really nice with the single drop. Here's something that's older. I would say probably, I'm going to guess just by the style, probably from the 50s. Has just a There's the hinge clasp, box hinge clasp. Isn't that sweet? I think that's really sweet. You know, some of these things, you wear them with the right outfit and it just makes it. Oh, this, I saw this in there. Isn't this cute? This is actually a bracelet by Nolan Miller. So this is a Nolan Miller bracelet. Yeah, there we go. Very pretty, very pretty. And in the same box came this, and I thought, oh, those look, you know, I know this is more of a rose gold, but that does look really pretty together. And it just made me think of someone, a cancer survivor, someone's mom that would love something like that. So that I thought was really special. And then in there also came this beautiful set. This is a Napier bracelet and necklace. And these just lie so wonderfully on your collarbone. Beautiful. Napier. That is, I'd say that's about a 16, yeah, about a 16-inch necklace on there with a box clasp chain. Napier, it says. I can't read the fine print underneath that, but anyways, beautiful. Really love the link. It sits so pretty. And then in there we had a couple of just small little bracelets, no name, but really cute. That one, just a little box link. This one's fun. This one has the tragedy and comedy masks. You know, they're all in good condition. They're not, you know, they're used, but they're not worn so much that they're not usable. This is a different one. Here's one. Oh, look at those. And this little heart in here. I don't know. Nice. Oh, here's a fun one. I got a lot of bracelets. Here's a fun one. This is an old one with this little clasp in there. Right. Just a bunch of fun pearls. Oh, this one's fun. This one is Kate Spade, actually. Yeah, Kate Spade, this one. So magnetic. With a safety clasp. Kind of a peachy with topazy overtones in those flowers and those stones. Anyways, nicely made bracelet. Here's an old bracelet. This one is actually an old coral. Yeah, Pegasus coral. This one. Small, but I could get it on. I do have smaller wrists. That's lots of fun. With the big star sparkle on there, eh? Lots of fun. And then I've got is an older one. And here's a... This is an interesting bracelet. I like the way the mechanics turned. A lot of the rhinestones have kind of died inside, but this was interesting. There was some other craft items in the lot, but hey, this is good. This is a there. You gotta press that little thing down. Look at how this opens. The workmanship in that, to do that. Chew, excuse me. Sorry, I'm sneezing. Oh, the workmanship in there is so nice. To make that just lock. That hinge goes all the way through there. This is probably a glass, but really pretty scroll work. And if, again, just a fun bracelet, why not? Fun bracelet to wear. So that's what I've got from a bunch of different people lately. I hope you guys all had fun looking at what I was able to bring in. I hope you go and check out all their channels. As I said, I'm going to list them all below, so have fun, check them out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out my giveaway video, and hopefully we'll all see you again soon. Take care.